Happy New Year and welcome back to This Week in RideShare News. Now, several Lyft drivers took to social media to share their New Year's Eve bonus alert for the week. And the email states that you're eligible for a $0 bonus and then proceeds to giving them information on how they can achieve a $0 bonus. Do you guys think that this email was sent in error? Let me know in the comments. Just an alert for Chicago Uber and Lyft drivers. There's been a series of carjackings.
Tonight, this warning to rideshare drivers on the south side. Listen up. Please tell us. Carjackers are calling for rides that end on King Drive from 113th to 115th. When the driver arrives, up to 3 suspects kick the driver out at gunpoint and drive off with the vehicle.
And what might possibly be related to the carjacking spree in Chicago, a Chicago Lyft driver says he was beaten and carjacked by his passengers, and the police later found his car wrecked. To add insult to injury, the carjackers even took his wallet and ordered Uber Eats with his credit card. When he submitted a claim to Lyft, thanks to their insurance policy, he was told to pay a $2,500 deductible to get reimbursed for his car. Now, the driver reached out to Lyft and they sent him a $100 ride credit.
I was wrong with losing my life for picking up somebody they gave me to, and not too good.
About a week later, he says CPD found his car severely damaged.
The motor wouldn't turn over. I knew it was a total loss.
The claim went through Lyft's insurance policy with Progressive. He was offered $12,400, the value of the car minus the $2,500 deductible. He knew about the high deductible with Lyft, but he had hoped in this case it might be waived since he wasn't at fault.
Even though I'm an independent contractor, I work off of what you give me. You gave me a bad ride.
After this interview aired, Lyft did pay his deductible on his behalf, but maintained that this is their policy. Here's a quick note. If you have any tips or stories you'd like to see, please contact me. My info is in the description box. And now for my segment, What Would You Do? Rapper Little Reese went to social media complaining about how he left $20,000 in an Uber in Vegas right before the new year. Lucky for him, the driver returned the money. Now, it's not known if Little Reese tipped the driver, but do you think that any driver should be tipped or rewarded when they do their job? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Thank you to all that have been rocking with me for this past year. It's been an honor to serve you all. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so to get the latest in rideshare and gig economy news. See you next Saturday. Bye.